Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Libras. These cards are for your relationship, and these cards are for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So that will be a general guidance, guys, what you need to do today. So this is the card. So that may answer some doubts or questions you have in your mind, guys, Libras. So let's start with these cards first for your general energies. Let's see what are these cards. We have the Hierophant in reverse, Four of Stars, and the Completed World in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. So maybe for some of you in your situation, there are people suggesting you certain things, but you have your own beliefs and you have your own way of doing things. So you are not willing to listen to them or change your ways. So it may be your energy in career or maybe in this relationship. Maybe this person is telling you the truth, but you are not willing to listen to them. You think that you know everything and you want to proceed in that particular way. So that may lead to some kind of problems, guys, stress. So your actions are the reason for problems. It may be your actions or it may be this person you love. It may be their actions, guys. So going against what to say others, maybe they are telling you the right thing today. You need to doubt others, guys. You should have your own values, but sometimes we must also listen to other people. Maybe sometimes they may give us the right choices or right suggestions. So we have to think about what others are saying, then take the right decisions, guys. So we need to listen. So that is what I see, Libras. Maybe sometimes you need to listen to others, so they may tell you the right things sometimes, guys. And I also see that maybe in your situation you feel stuck. You don't know what you need to do. Maybe you have set tasks for yourself but you are unable to complete that, or something in your relationship, and you don't know whom to ask help. You are in some kind of confusion, doubts about your actions, and you don't have that clarity in your heart about your actions, guys, Libras. And I also see that for some of you, you are just avoiding people. You are trying to take a step back, isolate yourself. You don't want to communicate to anyone, guys. So it may be with this person you love. Maybe they are trying to tell you what must be done. They are trying to give you suggestions, but you are shunning them. um, you just don't want to listen to anyone, guys. You just want to be alone, do your own thing in your own way. So that may be the reason for troubles, guys, some kind of mistakes or problems in your situation. So that is what I see, guys. So you are not listening to others. That may be the uh, reason for the troubles. Let's see what are these cards for your relationship now, guys. We have Moon, Nine of Stars, and the Devil. So maybe for some of you guys in this connection, in this relationship, you feel that you are the one and the only important person. Maybe you have self-centered views. You do not take in the other person's suggestions or views or what they will feel or what will happen if you take that decision. So you just love yourself. You are self-centered. Maybe you are selfish. and you are least bit bothered about this person, guys. Maybe this may be your energy, guys, or this may be their energy. So they are least bit bothered about you. Maybe they are not concerned about your true love. So you are telling some things, maybe suggesting this person something, but they are not listening to you. Maybe they have their own dreams and ideas. Something is telling them to go this particular way. Maybe it may turn out to be something wrong because their ideas are self-centered. So that may be the reason for troubles, guys. If they have their ideas based on love, it is going to be all right, but when it is based on selfishness, it is not going to go in the right way, guys. And maybe for some of you this may cause a lot of problems in your relationship. Maybe they are anxious, or you are having a lot of anxiety. You just want to, what to say, avoid that arguments or fights, and you just want to step back. You don't want to meddle with their business anymore. Maybe you may give up on this person, or they may give up on you. So that is what I see, guys. And let's see what is the card for your relationship. Sorry, guys, for your career. So we have 3 cards here. Again, we have 5 of Suns. Sorry, guys. The Chariot and 8 of Stars. So in your career situation, guys, Libras, maybe people are what to say, criticizing you for some mistakes or what you did, and you have some doubts, some confusions are there. You don't know what is the right choice or what way to go today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be facing some problems, but whatever it is, you are going to overcome, guys. So in your career, maybe the troubles are going to end for you today, guys, Libras. So let's see what is your crystal spirit guidance today. It is lithium quartz. So with this card just means that harmoniousness and peacefulness, and such an apt card for you all today, guys, for your guidance. We were speaking about that you are not listening to other person. Maybe because you feel that you are the one who is making the right decisions, but you should never forget that for each and every problem there are many solutions, and there are many paths to reach the solution. So you should understand that. So sometimes we must trust that other person, that there is more than one way to reach the right solution or the right path, and there is more than one day to reach it. So you have to work with that other person, have trust, support them, and have that healing energy in your relationship, growing together in love. So we may think in a particular way, and that person may think in a different way, but we must never give up that love and that interconnectedness we have with each other. So we should appreciate that love, harmony, and balance that is existing between us both. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So that is the reading for your Libras. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.